Hi everybody, welcome to AgaMath. This is Rakesh, and today our concept is about period and periodicity. What is period and what is periodicity? Before we have learned about the introduction about the real numbers in that, and also we have learned about terminating and non-terminating. In non-terminating we have two. One is non-terminating, repeating, and non-terminating, non-repeating. So here this is connected with non-terminating, repeating. Period and periodicity is connected with the non-terminating, repeating numbers. So let me take one example here about what is period and what is periodicity. So I would like to perform a division here to make you understand, right? So let me take 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is a rational number. So if I would like to perform a division for this, right? So 7, right? So 1's not possible, so 0 point I use, so that is 0. Now 7 4's 28. So 2 remains, right? Now again, as it is we are having a point, so that I would like to take 0. Now 7 2's 14, 6 0, 7 8's 56, so 4 0, 7 5's 35, 5 0, 7 7's 49, 1 0, 7 1's 7, 3 0, 7 4's 28. So you can see here 7 30, 7 4's 28, again 2 remains 0. So again 7 2's 14, sorry, it is 14, and again it remains with 6, right? It remainder is 6. So in this case you can see again you get the same, like 30, 28, then 20, then 14. So what is happening here? 4 2 8 5 7 1. Again you will get 4 2 8 5 7 1. In this case means what? 30. So from 30 to this, because again 30, 28 and all this repeated. So this is said to be the period, means what decimal part is repeating. So 4 2 8 5 7 1 you get. Again if you go on doing the division, if you continue it, if you goes on doing it, you get 4 2 8 5 7 1, 4 2 8 5 7 1. So in the decimal part, what are the digits are repeating, that is said to be the period. So period is 4 2 8 5 7 1. Okay, so this is said to be the period. And what is the periodicity? Here periodicity means in the decimal part how many digits, like what set of numbers are repeating, like 4 2 8 5 7 1. Again you get 4 2 8 5 7 1, 4 2 8 5 7 1. So if you do the division, you get it's repeated. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So periodicity is 6. Even periodicity is also called as length of the period. Length of the period. Length of the period means after how many decimals, again the same digits repeated, means after 6 decimals again it's repeated. So that is what periodicity is 6, and this is said to be the period, right? Let us take one more example. Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Now let us perform one more division, and let us see what is period and periodicity in that. So here I take a number, like I take a rational number like 773 divided by 225. Right? So let us perform a division for this. 773 divided by 225. So if you would like to check 225, right? So 225 once, 225, 225 2s, 450, 225 3s, right? 225 3s, 225 3s, it is 675. So that in my if you do the subtraction, that is 8 and 7 is 9, right? And then you 19. Now I use a point here, 0, right? Now how many times it is? 4 times. 25 fourths, 450, 900, yes. 25 fourths, 900. So it is 80, 225 fourths, it is 225 threes, it is 675. Then minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 7 is 2, 1. So 125 got. Now 0. So 225. 25 how many times? 225. So 225 5s. 1125. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2, and this is 2 minus 1 again. So again 1250, so again it is 5 times. So 1125. So it remains again 125. So this goes on. It means what happened here? It means 3.43555 so on, right? So only 5 in this decimal part, whatever the digits are repeated, that is taken as a period. So here period is 5. Period is 5. What is the periodicity? Periodicity or length of the period. Periodicity is nothing that how many digits are repeating? Only one digit. So here periodicity is 1. Right? Period means what are the digits are repeating in that set of repetition of digits to be taken as a period. Periodicity means how many digits are repeating, that is said to be the periodicity. So this is about the period and periodicity, because if you are good at knowing about this period and periodicity, we will see how to convert the non-terminating repeating decimals into the P by Q form, right? Non-terminating repeating decimals to convert into P by Q form, we should be aware of this period and periodicity. So in the next class we will see how to convert the non-terminating repeating into the P by Q form, right? Thank you. Even for any queries, you can give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you.